Let's start with that case, another postponement for the Jacob Zuma and Thales corruption trial. Judge Piet Koen adjourned the matter to the holding date of the 17th of October. He wants all counsel to indicate their judicial commitments for the second quarter of next year. eNCA's Pule Letshwiti-Jones joins us now to give us some details. It's not really an update, right, Pule, because this was a very short court appearance. What happened in court?
Definitely, what we witnessed today was that the matter has now been moved to the 17th of October to allow for the Constitutional Court to look into the former President Jacob Zuma's special plea bid, which of course speaks to appealing an order by the special Supreme Court of Appeal, rather, to have it appealed, where it was looking into dismissing the application of the former president, where he wanted the lead prosecutor, Advocate Billy Downer, to be recused from the matter. I mean, he's still of the view that the prosecutor isn't a man of integrity who's supposed to be leading this case here. Zuma alleges that Advocate Downer leaked his medical records to the media, and therefore it would prejudice him if we were to have Billy Downer continue in the matter. So the High Court has then decided that pending the outcome of the Apex Court, it will move the matter to the 17th of October. Should a delivery on order be done by the Apex Court before then, trial will then begin on the 7th of November until the 2nd of December. Perhaps we can just take a listen to what Judge Piet Koen had to say regarding this matter.
My thinking at the moment is that it be adjourned to the 17th of October as a holding date, pending the outcome of this application for leave to appeal to the Constitutional Court, and that depending on what happens, if it's been determined by that date, the trial will then start on the 7th of November, which is roughly 2 weeks later, to give everybody time to put their house in order. And if the matter is still not ready to proceed by the holding date of the 17th of October, then a further holding date will have to be determined. But let's cross that bridge when we get to it.
Yes, we defer to the court's timetable.
Very well.
Yes.
And then likewise, the accused, both Mr. Zuma and Mr. I've forgotten the gentleman's name now, but on behalf of Thales, be excused from attendance on the 17th of October of this year. And then the last time I had a 5th paragraph to the order requesting the council to indicate to me what their judicial commitments were for the first term of the next year. And I didn't receive any response. So perhaps just as well, because we've now pushed it out a bit more. But I would like once again to ask the parties by, say, the 7th of September to provide a list of their judicial commitments for the second term of this court for 2023, so that we can start looking at the dates. If letters can be written to my registrar by the 7th of September indicating what those dates would be.
All right, so this obviously means then, Pule, that the 15th of August, that trial date that was set, has to then be moved. That's Pule Letshwiti-Jones live for us outside the High Court in Pietermaritzburg.